Hey cuties, and welcome to another video. My name is Kia if you're new here, and I design polygel nails, as in I wear polygel nails and I design them. Right now I'm focused only currently on nail art, but I am looking to make videos in the future of showing you guys how I actually apply my polygel. So let's get into this look. If you see in the beginning, I hope y'all like that shot because I really feel like that was a real good close-up shot. But basically the idea behind this was like the 90s inspired nails, but I think I used too many colors, or maybe all of the colors weren't opaque enough, so it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. So this was really like quick thinking on my feet type of thing, but it turned out real cute. So really I used 6 colors. I wouldn't recommend using 6 colors unless you know for sure all of the colors are opaque, because this is a mixture of Modelones and Madam Glam gel polishes. I put them all in that list in the beginning, so if you guys want to know the names, you can check there, but also try to check the description box because there will be a link to Madam Glam. I will get commission if you use it. Please use it, but you'll also be able to get some money off if you use it, so make sure you use it. Okay, let me stop playing though, for real. For real. This look, I really did like the way it turned out after the fact, but I want you guys, if you do something like this, please be cognizant of the colors that you use, or if you're good with the color wheel and you know which colors, if they meet in the middle, if they'll make a new color or not. Like, be aware of things like that. I kind of thought of that when I was doing this, but also I didn't care. I was just like, oh, it shouldn't look like that. I didn't think the deep about it, but like my pinky, for example, is probably the nail I hated the most because of the way that the green laid on top of the orange. And I went in and did 2 coats of certain colors to color it up, and it still ain't cover it up. So that was why I also went in with the black lines, but it did a good job of distracting from it and covering it up as much. Plus, my pinkies is just like not my favorite nail that I do, so I wasn't too worried about it. But I really don't think I'm going to talk through this. This is kind of like self-explanatory. You guys can just watch me put the colors in there. But I just wanted to come in here and say, hey cuties. And don't forget to like the video, of course. Comment down below to let me, please comment something, okay? Because I ask y'all this in every video and nobody comments anything. Comment if you like the video so I know what to post, y'all. I don't want to just be filming just to be filming. Like, you know, I could do that. I could like just be filming stuff that, you know, I think is a good idea. But I also don't want to be wasting my time filming stuff that nobody cares about. So if you don't like certain things, please let me know so I can focus it on other things. Share the video if you feel like, you know, somebody could recreate it, or maybe you want somebody else to recreate this on your nails. I do think they look like the little butterfly effect nails, because you know people, well, you know, it ain't full on butterfly, but you know it's the thick black lines with the white dots on them. That's why it gave me butterfly vibes without really being a butterfly. That's why I put a butterfly charm on there, but they still came out cute. So don't hate me too much on that. That's why the title is what it is. And yeah. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. And make sure you hit the bell so that you can get all notifications when I upload videos and shorts. Now, I think that was my list. Like the video, comment, share the video, and subscribe, y'all. Be part of the cutie gang. Okay? All right. I am out of here. See y'all in the next one. Yeah.